Okay, this is something new I want to try. When you ask me what to list, since we're listing mainly from Home Depot right now, we'll stick with Home Depot. But you can go to different pages. Like I just did this first search on air conditioners. But you could do one for, I'll just do one here for you, girl, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's do lawn and garden, garden tools, and let's just say, look at specialty tools. I'm going to do all of these things. I saw this before. What is this? Trying to get to something where they just list products. Can't we just list all lawnmowers? Lawnmowers. Let's look at battery mowers. Come on, just give me a list of... Okay, here we go. Finally. There's only 60 of these. There's got to be a way to get longer pages. But we're going to take this URL and copy it. And then we're going to go to something called Tactical Arbitrage. Now, I'll give the login for that. You're going to want to go to Tactical Arbitrage login, and I'll give you the login information. But we're going to want to start doing searches and see what ranks well on Amazon to decide what's going to sell on eBay. So for the website, we're always going to use Home Depot. So you search for here. All right. We can do easy bulk. This is better. We can just see this. We can do everything at once. So I'm going to search for heating, venting, and cooling. Add to bulk. All right. We're going to use easy bulk. So we're just going to do all these. And we're going to want to filter this. So all we do is we remove average 90-day over 250,000. All right. Actually, 300,000. 300,000. Okay. Don't worry about anything else here. Okay. Other filters. I think there's something else in here. We want to show Amazon out of stock results. And we want to show this one. And then reverse search results. What this means is if they find something cheaper somewhere else, they're going to find it. So we tick that. So all we do is this over 300,000. We want to get rid of those because the lower this number, the more it sells. So what we want to do is list things on eBay that sell well on Amazon. All right? And that's one thing we do. Don't worry about any of this other stuff. Now, also, when we look at these products, we're not going to want to list them if they don't meet our criteria of, the amount of reviews and, the reviews. The amount and, just like we talked about before, that still has to apply. All right, and then we want to turn this on, turn that on, and click search. So it's going to start going through this now. It's going to take a while. But you girls run this when you start your shift, and eventually you're going to start to get data. Now, I already got some data from some searches I did earlier. Here, you can view the data. This is where you go to what you want to list. Now, this is the oldest product I got here. You want to toggle this to the newest one. Okay, see, this is what came up already. These are things that we can list on eBay. See, a lot of things here. All these things have great rankings on Amazon, which means, now some of these are no longer seasonal, like this heater, we probably don't want to list those because it's not the right time. A lot of this came out. But this here, this we would definitely want to list. Alright? So let's just see if it meets our criteria or not. Interestingly enough, nobody's reviewed it. But, on the other hand, it sells really well on Amazon. So, it sells really well on Amazon. And I'll show you. If I can find it now. There's so many tabs open here. This is where it is on Amazon. If you look at this, this isn't the same product. This is not what I want. Where did that thing go? Oh, it's down here further. So these are all heaters. This one. This one. You look on Amazon. Okay. It's got great reviews. Actually, just go to Amazon. We don't need to worry about eBay. We're trying to bring... Maybe no one has listed this on eBay yet. But if you look at the rank, it's 49,000. That is a great... Anything under 100 is fantastic. So we definitely want to list this one. And so when you girls list something, you just make sure to take it off this list so we know it's already been done. I can get into more of this later, but don't worry about that. There's a spot in here where you can take it off. I'll just take off one of these heaters because we're not going to use heaters. See, we're getting a lot of stuff. Also, there is one other filter. You want to filter out stuff under $10. But yeah, like this stuff wouldn't come up because we want to. But this would. All right. I don't know what this is, but if you look on Amazon, and we're not going to source from Amazon. We're going to source from Home Depot, but it's selling on Amazon. No, it's not. What is this? These are not supposed to show up like that. This must be old stuff. This is old stuff. This is old stuff. Anyway, start coming in here to look for stuff to list.